Southern Indiana doctor who spent decades saving lives is sharing the dramatic story of how his life was saved. Joyce O'Geary explains the incredible work it took to make sure his donor heart arrived in time.
It's like stepping off a cliff. The heart can no longer compensate.
The longtime emergency doctor at Ascension St. Vincent, Stephen Kempker, was diagnosed with advanced heart failure. It was linked to a genetic heart condition that causes a heart muscle to thicken. Doctors told him a heart transplant was his best chance at survival.
They asked if we were ready for a transplant. I was like, well, we don't really have a choice.
And in December, the call came. A donor heart was available. But there is one problem. A snowstorm was moving through the region. Snowplows met the transplant team at the airport, clearing the way so the heart could safely reach the hospital in Indianapolis for surgery.
We knew that he needed the heart and that the time was critical, and so we did whatever we could within our power to get the heart here, and fortunately was successful.
After weeks of recovery, Dr. Kempker was sent home in January and is continuing to regain his strength. He admits it was difficult to be the patient and not the doctor.
I had to accept the fact that this was a little bit beyond me, so I needed their advice and their care, and they did an excellent job.
Dr. Kempker and his wife, Dr. Kaylin Carty Kempker, a family medicine physician, have served the Salem community since 1993. She says their family understands the sacrifice that made his second chance possible.
And there's no gratitude that you can give for that. And he's here. Somebody did a wonderful thing for several people that night. So I hope someday that we can thank them in person.
Dr. Kempker hopes that his story inspires more people to become organ donors. His doctors say his recovery is moving in the right direction. Reporting in Salem, Joyce O'Geary, WLKY News.